Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget. It's mid-June already. We have come a long way through 2019. So today, let's see what's on my phone 2019 edition. Let's get started. So my smartphone of choice is the same as the last year and the previous year. It's the Moto G5 Plus 4GB 64GB ROM variant. I'm quite happy with it. The wallpaper which I have is a random Google search. I just searched for monkey wallpapers on Google and I found this. So if you are searching, just search for some Google images. So now let's talk about the home screen. I like to keep the home screen quite simple and basic. My home screen consists of one page and another page with my Google Now cards. The first home page consists of a folder which has my media consumption apps such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Hotstar. Next comes my email client, that's Gmail. I use the normal camera app which is provided with the UI itself and I'm quite happy with it. We have another folder which consists of 4 apps. The first one is the Mi Home Security Camera app which I use to monitor my CCTVs at home. The second one is Google Maps which doesn't require any introduction. The third one is WhatsApp Business and another one is just a Google app. I also post a lot of pictures on Instagram, so I have the Instagram app on the home page. On the bottom row I have True Dialer which is my primary dialer for years now. I have Google Chrome which is a standard web browser, YouTube, of course we are uploading this on YouTube and I watch a lot of YouTube, WhatsApp and my music streaming services which are Spotify and Amazon Music. I have Amazon Prime subscription and I use Amazon Prime Music with it, but I don't have a Spotify subscription because I don't mind the ads which comes with the UI, so I have a free Spotify account. So that's about the home page. Again, as I told, I like to keep it quite simple and with a less number of apps on the home screen. If we swipe up, we will find a bunch of apps which I use on a regular basis but still which is not present on my home screen. The first one is ACT FiberNet, which is my ISP and I'm quite really happy with it as of now. We have a bunch of Amazon apps such as Amazon Music, Amazon Alexa which I use to monitor my Echo Dot and the standard Amazon shopping app. I have Book My Show which I use to book all the events and movies which I go for. Next comes Google Pay which is great at making payments. The payments go flawlessly but which shows the one sentence which no one likes: better luck next time. I think everyone gets this nowadays, so either Google should just remove the cashback system or there is no use of it. Always it is better luck next time. I use an app called #Ify which I have made a complete video which you can find on the I button here, which helps you find good hashtags for your Instagram posts. It's really good. It does something based out of AI and I think it's really cool. I use Mi Band 2 for monitoring my step counter and sleep counter, so that's Mi Fit, and also I have speed test to monitor all my network speeds and pings, etc. My photo editor of choice is Google Snapseed, so I don't think there is any good competition to it because it's quite simple, quite basic and anyone can edit photos using Google Snapseed. I have Uber as my cab provider because these days in my area I don't know why Ola is not providing cabs at all. Coming to my food and restaurant app, I use Swiggy and Zomato. I love the Swiggy pop feature but Zomato gives much better cashbacks than Swiggy. If you have any other good app suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to test them and if I like it, maybe I will use it permanently. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down your views and thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe for more such content. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye now. Okay, so if you have watched till here, you must be my subscriber or you must be an active user on the channel. So I want to talk to you about something. This video has been uploaded almost after 7 to 8 months of no other uploads. That is because I was busy with some other work. I had been doing event shoots and short film shoots and ad shoots and many other work, so I mainly didn't get time to shoot these tech videos. So I thought of just pausing it for some time and then continuing it. I tried in the middle but I couldn't be consistent. So from this video I promise that I will be more consistent. I'll be uploading a lot more videos. Already 4 videos are lined up. So I definitely won't disappoint you. So if you are still watching this, thank you. You have been supporting a lot. So let's meet in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye now.